So cutting this up on the road is actually good because the wolves will run the road and they'll smell even just this little bit of scrap. But I'm gonna throw this in around the snares till we get some bigger bait. Really throw in there, but the other nice thing is the birds won't, when you throw in all that big bait, the birds come in and really, birds and pacer. So throw a little bit along the ditches and then they'll start smelling, and then we'll try and lead them into the bait pile or the snares.
Can I come with you?
Yeah, just follow my tracks.